Hello. And welcome back to tazwells12. You are back on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12. I am the host, who is Tara Wells, and today's video is going to be an Aldi haul. I don't know if I've done one singly on its own before, but this will be a first one if it is. The fact that I've bought some items from Aldi that I'm going to show you. Aldi's haul is not sponsored by Aldi. I have brought it all out of my own money, and I am not sponsored by Aldi or any of the brands that I do show you. If you like the video that much, or you like any of the products that I show you, or any of the advice I give you, then please give it a massive thumbs up. And you really like these videos and you like more and you keep coming back to my channel, then also subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button. Hit the notification button because that will tell you when a new video is uploaded. On my main page there is a clickable link for Instagram and Twitter if you want to check them out too, please. I think that's everything. Let's get on into the Aldi haul. This first item is really good. I'm gonna keep buying them from now on because I used to buy them from Wilko's. The ones that they've changed the sort of texture or feel about them, and I don't really like them anymore. And I've tried the new ones and it's just not going to be my new go-to anymore. But these are, and they are these makeup wipes. These are really good and really cheap. These are the LACURA. This is their Aldi's own brand skincare that they do. Any makeup, I've bought makeup before and you've seen it on this channel, but this is what they do. So it's called LACURA, and these are the super soft 25 wipes. Removes waterproof mascara, a 3-in-1 cleansing facial wipes for normal skin, refreshing with vitamin E, pro-vitamin, B5 and aloe vera. Are well worth the money too, because these are at the price of only 39p. So they're cheaper than the ones that I got from Wilko's, because I think they were like 50p. So you are saving 10 pence. I know that's not a lot, but when I buy 2 packs like I do, I'm obviously saving a 20p extra. And I did get these when I first tried them because I saw them and I thought, you know what, I'll get 1 packet and try them. Did get them, I think, in a pink colour. I think that might be for sensitive skin, but I didn't really like the texture on them. There was something about it I didn't like, and it wasn't fitting with me. Like, they were fine and they were better than the Wilko's ones, but they just wasn't giving me what I wanted. So I thought, I know they did a blue packet, I thought I might try them, and these are really good. So if you next time go in there, get these. This next item is a new item, so I saw it in there. So what I'm trying to do at the moment is trying to do like moisturizer and serum and eye cream at night before I go to bed, because I've seen that is the best time where my skin will like take that moisturizer and really do something with it, and it really takes it in. I found lately that my skin is a little bit dry. Trying my best at the moment. So the moisturizer I'm using at the moment is one from Primark. I've had it an absolutely yonks, but it's really good. I don't think you can buy it again, obviously, because at the moment that Primark is not open, so I can't go and have a look at their skin range again. But when I went up in Aldi, I saw this. So again, it's a LACURA one, and this is the night cream. They also did day cream with this. So this is the night cream, and then you can have a day cream, like sort of the Nivea packs that you could do. I've had that one ages ago and I've used it, but it's so expensive. Lovely creams, but a little bit on the expensive side. But it pretty much looks the same sort of box. Like, honestly, it could be a dupe for that, but we have not tried this. So this is the LACURA skincare for you. It's the anti-wrinkle night cream. I got the night cream because I don't really put, like I said, I'm putting it on at night, not really put it on the day, so that's why I got the night one. So this is a Q10 Renew with retinol complex, avocado oil and Q10. I'm sorry if I said that all wrong, but it's literally in this writing here. This is anti-wrinkle formula, helps protect the skin from premature aging. So it's just like this. If I open it up, it comes in, this is the bit that lets it down because it just comes in a plastic pot. It's not too bad. At the end of the day, if the cream works, that is the main thing. I'm going to have a little look at it, but it's 100% sealed. At the end of the day, I'd probably rather it was 100% sealed because it could be a little bit wrong at the end of the day if people stuck their fingers in. But I'm going to try this. I got it for the price of £1.45. That is an amazing price for this. So if this is a dupe for the Nivea creams, then this works fine on my skin, gives me what I want. This will be an absolute bargain, and I may even buy the day cream because these are just insane if that does work. What I'm going to do is leave it sealed for now, and I will do a review on this channel for you of that. Now ladies, if ladies are watching this, I suppose men are too at the end of the day because this is a ladies and men's. Does anyone else think that shaving cream is really expensive? Like if you get the normal brand for lady shaving cream, it's about £2 or £3, even more than that sometimes, unless you get it on an offer. Well, I have found the next best thing. I saw this in Aldi and I thought, you know what can go wrong with it at the end of the day? And it is this shaving foam. This grey one I haven't tried. I think this is a new packaging because the last one I brought was a white packaging, so it all had white lid and everything else. I brought out a new one because they pretty much are the same front, everything. This is the LACURA for men. It doesn't matter at the end of the day, ladies. Shaving foam is shaving foam. As long as it gets the hair off your legs or wherever else, it's good. The thing about this, I will tell you in a moment, that is really good. It's for sensitive skin, so it's what you need. It's shaving foam for a thorough and refreshing shave, honestly. And this is got 250 ml in there, so it's a normal size bottle. What I got this was for obviously shaving my legs. I found with shaving my legs, I have to have a really good moisturising, sensitive shaving foam, because if I don't, and a lot of people do it with soap, and lucky to you guys that can do it that, I was doing with soap and it was just not working for me. Like, it was making my legs like really sore and itchy, and I get a rash, and it was just not nice. So I tried obviously shaving foam after that. I tried the ladies ones, they obviously were getting really expensive. Then I saw this in Aldi and thought, you know what, try this. And this is absolutely perfect. It doesn't make a stinging sensation, it doesn't give me a rash, it doesn't give me anything of that. And this is half the price, and this is at the price of 65 pence. 65 pence, that makes a massive difference. So you're saving like £2 at the end of the day, or even more, maybe £3. If you ever go in Aldi, definitely pick this up. It doesn't matter if it's for men. At the end of the day, it's all the same stuff and it works perfectly fine. Now we're going to go on to some sort of home decor sort of stuff. In this like home haul is this washing up bucket. So why I got this washing up bucket, as you do, I like to sometimes soak my feet in my room, or if you're downstairs, just put a little bit of foot soak in there, let them soak. I love to give my feet a little pamper when you put your nail varnishing on. I like to do the whole works if I can. I grabbed this, and I really like this one actually, because the ones that we've got downstairs haven't got these little handles. So this is really, really good. So if you fill this up quite a lot, you can hold the little handles, which is really sturdy. Otherwise you've got to hold it on the side. Sometimes if you've got slippery hands from doing the water, it could go, and then you have it all over the place, and you don't want that. This is just a grey, so it's got this little bit in here, so I'm guessing this is just to sort of give it some grip. That's why I'm guessing it's made them little squares in there. This is the Addis Signature Series washing up bowl, a contemporary style bowl with a scratch resistant finish, durable and easy to clean. It's a 10 litre. 10 litre. I didn't get this as a normal washing bowl, I just got it as to do my feet. I thought the handles were really good for that, and this was at the price of £1.99. Like, you can't go wrong with that at the end of the day. That's really good. They did a couple of different colours. I think they did the grey, they might have done like a cream or white, and they might have done another colour, maybe like a blush pink, maybe. Anyway, for £1.99 for this, I thought it was really good. This item is a little bit boring, but this was quite a good price. Any houseware that like Aldi do, it is unreal. I think it's like really good quality for like half the price. Just bear in mind, don't take it because it's Aldi, it's going to be cheap. It really isn't. I've got loads of home stuff from them and they've done really well. This is the Curtain House 24cm frying pan. It's gas safe, electric safe, fan oven and dishwasher safe. So that's even better, you can put it in the dishwasher. Back inside, a black handle, and then you could get 2 or 3 colours for the sides. So you could get black, I think it was, this sort of grey colour, which I kind of like, think it mixes it up a little bit, or like a lighter grey. But yeah, I thought it was really nice. Just thought it was really good for that, and that was at the price of £3.99, which I think was pretty good for that. Otherwise you don't want to go cheapy way, but you don't want to go expensive way, because at the end of the day some of these cheap ones do last. We have come on to the last item of this haul, and it is this. So you can see it. So again, this is from Curtain House. It's a mini pancake pan. I'll get it out in a moment because you can't really see it. It's a durable non-stick pan that allows you to make 7 delicious mini pancakes at once. And I've seen someone use this on YouTube and I was like, wow, I want that. Because what I try and do is use a normal frying pan, mixture in that, and make little ones out of that. But they don't, they go over the edge or they join together. Yeah, it's just a little bit messy. I can do it, but I thought this might be a little bit easier to do. This dishwasher safe is gas, electric, so it can fit on any sort of hob or cooker, so that's really good. So I will take this out the packet. You can see a little demonstration on there. This is what the pan looks like. So I thought this was absolutely perfect. It's just got a black handle, and then it's got 7 little pancakes, all the same size, really nice. And then you can see the rims on the back, really good. It's really thick. It has to be. It's going to hold batter, which is a little bit thicker than normal stuff. But at the end of the day, I thought this is going to be amazing. I love making banana pancakes. This is going to be excellent for making them. So I'm really glad I got this. And this was at the price of £7.99, which I thought was really good because I've searched these before and they were a little bit expensive, more than £7.99. So I thought that was a really good price for that. The other little bit I just want to say before we end this video is the fact that if you really do like Aldi, get the app. Get the app on your phone. It would show you, but I'm videoing with my phone. But get the app, download it, and then go onto the special buys, because that is pretty much what some of this stuff is from. Some of the stuff is like normal, but a lot of it is special buys. Go on that, and then it will upload a week before and it'll tell you which weeks everything's coming. A lot of these ideas now, this has all happened since sort of coronavirus, like lockdown. I wanted to see what was coming up before, where I used to just go into Aldi, grab the book, and then see if you can go and get it. But now, because you've got an app, I can see that like literally 2 or 3 days before, so it's good thinking. Frying pan and the pancake pan, I found like on the website a long time before we went in there. Then it tells you what date it's going to come out, and then you go down there that day and you can find these items if you really want them. So that's just a cheeky little tip if you want to get special buys way in advance. This has unfortunately come to the end of the Aldi haul. I hope that you liked the video, and I hope I've kind of showed you a good random selection of beauty products and home products. I will show you food ones when something happens, I will do like a food, if we do a food shop, I will do them ones because I know that loads of people like them too and get ideas, so I will do that when I can. That is the end of the video. I hope that you've really liked it. Like I said, if you really do like the video, then please give it a massive thumbs up because it really helps me out, and I know that you like these videos. If you like my videos, you like my content, you like the products I show you, any other videos that I show on this channel, then please subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button. Come and join the little love family and you will be more than welcome. Also, if you want to comment on any video, I will 100% comment back to everyone that comments to me, and I will 100% guarantee that. This is not sponsored, which I did say at the beginning of the video. Thank you for watching as always. Thank you for the support that people that have subscribed to me. Thank you very much. You are in our little love family. Hope that you have a lovely day or lovely evening. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.